So hi everyone, hi guys, I'm Nabil Architect and I'm back with another amazing video. In this video we are going to learn about NanoCAD, how to create dashes line in NanoCAD. So we are here in NanoCAD software and I create line. So I command L enter. So I create line here like this and press skip and I type line type. Okay, enter. If you want to create dashes line, you go to line type manager for line type command, and as you can see the line type manager is open. I will go to this here, load line type, and more another dialog box is open and I select this NCAD ISO and open, and as you can see load line type dashes line all types of lines here. So I simply select this one first one like this and OK and OK. So if you want to change this line to dashes line, you simply select this like this and here line type, go to line type and select this ISO ACAD line type, click, and as you can see the line will be converted to dashes line. Okay, so this is how you can created the dashes line in NanoCAD software. So keep supporting, subscribe my channel.